Welcome to American Roots. Today we are going to get started on prepping the chicken area. I want to go over and pick up some chicks, and I figure I better get the area looking nice and ready for them before I do that. Joe threw down some sunflower seeds that I grew from like 2 years ago. So I'm going to give everything a good water, and then I'm going to throw the hay down, fill the feeders, and when he gets home from work, we'll be ready to go get chickens. Let's get started. I'm gonna store the chicken waterers, I think, upside down. That way the cups won't get dirty, because they were really gross from just sitting out here. It's super dusty. So I'm just gonna disconnect it with a quick disconnect. The water's off, and I'm going to drain this. Just so it doesn't get funky until we get the chickens. So what I'm going to do, put the lids on them and then store them upside down. All right, so I've got a little bit of hay left to spread. I'm gonna finish that. I've never had chickens before, so I'm really wanting to make sure that I do my due diligence and make sure that they have what they need. I'm only gonna get like 3 or 4 to start. I'm sure I'm gonna get super enamored and get a bunch of chicken joy, and I'm gonna want 18, but I just don't have the space for it. So to learn and make use of this time while we are saving and preparing and deciding on our land, I'm just gonna get a few, and I'm just trying to make the best space for them. And I know it's gonna be a learning curve, but I'm gonna do the best that I can with what I've got. So I'm gonna finish getting all this laid out, and then I'm gonna fill the feeders. Now, I don't wanna open up this bag of feed and then not have anything to do with it when I fill that feeder. So I'm gonna wait and then go get a bucket and a lid that's designated for my feed, and then that way I have a place to put it once I open the bag. I got a bin that I'm gonna put the rest of the seed in instead of a bucket. That way I can also see how much I have left. Okay.
Where do you want it?
Probably under the patio,
Okay.
out of the sun and weather.
You're gonna mark it?
Yeah. It's looking good back here. I think we are ready to head to the feed store and pick up some chicks. So let's go do that. So we came to Stockman Feed, and they were out of chickens. Last week was the cutoff date in Arizona because they come in the mail, and they would have been too hot. So the next time I can get chickens from a feed store is gonna be like the first week in September, he said. So I guess we're gonna have to look on Craigslist or OfferUp or something and see where we can find some chickens. I'm gonna go home and try to find some chickens, and I will take you along for that journey. Until next time, I'm praying you're blessed. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.